What's really going on with the Payday 3 servers? Payday 3 network error, and I'm getting matchmaking error, server disconnected. Honestly, it's kind of a fun game. Do let me know what you think about it and found out the solution. No network connection. Failed to fetch the game config data. Login to Nebula failed. Today in this video, I have got the latest update from the game developers itself. So without a further ado, let's jump right into all the details and let's check it out the maintenance schedule and when they'll be going to fix it. It's finally here. Payday 3 is launching on all the platforms. So the Payday 3 is kind of a fun experience, and here is the latest details. Let me show you what's really going on in Payday 3. Well, currently they are experiencing a slow matchmaking issue. They are investigating this problem, and 23 hours ago they have tweeted out, we are currently experiencing authentication issues with Payday 3 servers. You may experience issues with the game. We are looking into this. Then on yesterday, this issue got too much crazy with authentication issue has been resolved and now you can access the game again. But when people have rushed into the game, when Payday 3 has ranked first into the top selling onto the Steam just 20 hours ago, and then right up to that we have deployed some fixes, but we are seeing some instability in matchmaking. That's totally obvious. A new game and many people rushing into it. We are continuing investigation and keep working on addressing this. Just 15 hours ago, realizing that matchmaking issues are frustrating, we are still here working and getting this back up and running. And then 20 hours ago, we are currently experiencing slow matchmaking. So matchmaking is kind of not, the servers are not able to handle the matchmaking load, and that's the probable reason we can see. Recently on yesterday there was tons and tons of outage report, and right now the same kind of a situation has just started beginning. So without a further ado, let's check it out, the latest update right from the game developers itself, the Payday 3 Twitter official page. Just check this out. 2 hours ago Payday 3 tweeted out, he says it was a long night and once functionality came back it was still unstable for a time, but we are now confident in saying that we are on our way to get back in full force. So there you go guys, they have finally managed and found out the solution. They have allocated more servers, I think. And guys, do let me know how's your Payday 3 experience. Honestly, it's kind of a fun game. Do let me know what you think about it. Once I get any latest details, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.